Here I've got LG K8 2018 and let me show you how to activate Comfort View Night Mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select Display. Here you have to scroll down a bit until you see Comfort View options. So if you would like reduce eye strain with less blue light on the screen, simply tap on the switcher. And here it is. As you can see, you've got different mode. If you will click over here, you will be able to personalize it. So as you can see, you can pick low blue light filter, medium one, high, or even black and white display. So that's all. Then if you would like to deactivate this mode, simply tap on the same switcher. You can also do it here, so simply like that you can switch it off. And that's it. This is how you can activate night mode, comfort view mode if you want to protect your eyes in your LG K8 2018. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.